Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making this colorful and delicious Rotini Pasta Salad. Let me show you how easy it is to make. I'm starting by cutting the ham into strips. Then I will cut the strips into 1/4 inch cubes. Let's transfer the ham to a large size bowl. We have 5 ounces of black olives, a can of 15 ounces of corn, 2 bell peppers, a red and an orange. We're going to be using 1/4 of each, and a large size plum tomato. We also have olive oil, Parmesan cheese, Feta cheese, black pepper, and salt. We're going to be cutting 1/4 inch of the orange and the red pepper, and we're going to just cut it in nice strips, and then we're going to cut the strips in half. But before we cut the peppers, let's make sure we clean the inside. Make sure we leave it big enough so to make the beautiful contrast of color on the salad. Don't you guys love the beautiful colors of these peppers? They are so pretty. With the tomato, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to keep it nice and chunky. So I'm going to be cutting it about 1/4 inch. I'm going to take some of the seeds out. That's perfect. We are not cutting the olives. I think this way they look much better. The pasta been cooking for 2 minutes. We're going to give it about 10 more minutes. Go by the package direction, or more or less, depending on how you like your pasta. We have feta cheese. I have 8 ounces right here, and I'm going to be using half of it. So I would say 4 ounces. So let's do half. Put all the half in the box. With the feta cheese, it's easy. You can either use your hands or you can use a knife. I mean, either way, you're going to make sure that you scramble this later on. You want to break it just like this. For this kind of salad, you want some chunks, so just make sure you don't break it too much. Look at this, perfect. Now that we have all we need cut and ready, let's go ahead and put it together. I'm going to drain the water from the can of corn. Transfer the corn. Oh, this is so beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. So summery. This is looking good. So we're going to go ahead and put the olives. Parmesan cheese. Salt, about a teaspoon. Taste, you can put either more salt or less. A tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. This is what is going to enhance the flavor, guys. And olive oil. About a tablespoon of olive oil. Let me see how it tastes. It's very good. Delicious. It's time for the rotini to meet the rest of the ingredients, guys. And this is like a marry me dish. Let's mix it well. About a teaspoon of the juice of the capers that I'm going to put a few of them in too. I mean, we need a little sour taste in there. Lemon pepper, about a teaspoon. And the feta cheese. Nice chunky pieces. Look at this, guys. Looks delicious already. It's time to mix it all together. This dish is just beautiful. Let's go ahead and mix it one more time, just a few seconds. Look at that. Oh, the color is beautiful. The texture. Look at the corn. I mean, the contrast of the colors. It makes the dish so elegant and delicious. Guys, this dish came out awesome. It looks beautiful and it smells super tasty. Let's go ahead and try it. Wow, thumbs up. It tastes so good. It's beautiful. I recommend you guys to try it. This came out very, very nice, super fresh, with all the ingredients and the corn, the feta cheese. Thank you so much for being here. Thank you for your support. I appreciate you all. And if you like this recipe, I recommend you to please check the next video. You're gonna love it. Thank you one more time, and please don't forget to subscribe, to like and share my video. God bless. Let's eat.